Hello everyone! Welcome back. It's me, Kanay. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you a few clips from my previous video. This is Griffon, which is the most scariest rides I think that I was not able to try. But anyway, I'm just going to show you. So don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hope that you enjoy this short video. Okay guys?